In 18th century India, one name echoed through British halls with fear. Not a king they could control, not a ruler they could break. They called him the Tiger. Born in 1750 in Mysore, Sultan Fateh Ali Sahab Tipu, known to history as Tipu Sultan, son of Hyder Ali, was not raised for comfort, but for war, strategy and resistance. Trained in politics, warfare, science, and inspired by French military tactics, Tipu led troops by the age of 15. He wasn't just royal blood, he was being shaped into a fighting machine. Between 1767 and 1799, Tipu fought 4 Anglo-Mysore wars against the British. He didn't win all of them, but he never surrendered. Each war made him more fierce, not weaker. He called himself the Tiger of Mysore. Tigers marked his throne, weapons, and flags. Even his famous automaton, Tipu's Tiger, showed a tiger mauling a British soldier. This wasn't art. It was psychological warfare. Tipu transformed warfare. His iron-cased rockets were so advanced that the British later copied them. That's why history remembers him as the world's first missile innovator. In 1799, during the 4th Anglo-Mysore War, betrayed by allies and surrounded at Seringapatna, Tipu refused escape. British soldiers later found him near the city gate, sword in hand. After his death, the British looted Mysore, his tiger throne, swords, manuscripts, and scientific instruments. India had lost one of its last true military challengers. Tipu Sultan wasn't perfect, but he stood when many bowed. He lived like a tiger and died like one. One of his famous quotes includes, "A lion's life of one day is better than a jackal's 100 years." The British took his life, not his legacy.